Hi, and welcome to all my future kitchen queens.
Welcome ladies, welcome to a new video of mine. And in this video we are doing a charcuterie board with the theme of 4th of July. So I'm very excited about this video, and yes, so let's check it out what you need to present your board. First of all, you need some kind of board where you want to present your food on. You can do a small one or a big one. It depends on what you have at home. Because right now I'm inviting a few people over, so I need a little bit of a bigger plate or a bigger board. And I found this one. Normally you use that for, I don't know, for flowers, yeah, that you can decorate your home with. But I'm using it today for my charcuterie board. So you definitely need a board and you need food. So let's check it out what food we are presenting on our board today.
The best thing about the charcuterie board made by yourself is you can pick the food choices that you would like to put on your board. So for this board, we need a lot of vegetables and fruits. For a big board like this, I would say pick around 10 to 12 different food choices so you can fill up your board nicely. Because I choose the 4th of July theme, I only selected food with the same colors that the United States flag, like red, blue, and white. And these colors worked pretty good. Did you know that the stars in the original American flag were arranged in a circle to ensure that all colonies were presented equally? If you bought your food, the first thing you want to do is wash it. And what I do is I use baking soda combined with apple cider vinegar, and I let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, you rinse everything with clear water, and you cut all your fruits and vegetables in eatable pieces. And I know that takes the longest of the whole board. Did you know that the US didn't actually declare independence on 4th of July? They voted 2 days before, and the declaration was published in papers on 4th of July, and only 2 men had signed it, and all the other 54 signed it over the next month. After you cut all the food, prepare your dipping sauce. I choose a yogurt one for the fruits and a cashew hummus dip for the vegetables. I really love this cashew hummus dip. The base is like cashews, and with potatoes you can mix into that all kinds of things, whatever you love, and you can make it your own, like your own taste. It's pretty good. You definitely have to try that out. When you're done with that, it's time to place your food on the board. I start with the fruits on one side, and when I'm done that, I put the vegetables on the other side, and then I try to combine them. I do it that way because I feel like I don't like the fruits touching all the vegetables, so I want them a little bit to be separated. Because of that American theme, I try to put the American flag colors right next to each other, and I thought it looked very nice. And it was definitely fun to create. By the way, another fun fact is that Benjamin Franklin wanted the turkey to be the national animal, but it was outvoted when John Adams and Thomas Jefferson chose the bald eagle. Can you imagine having the turkey as the national animal for the United States? I mean, that is quite funny to me. When you arranged everything, you are now putting the spices and the sauces on it, and yeah, you're done. If you have some leftovers that doesn't fit on your plate, it doesn't matter. You can put that in a box, in a Tupperware box, and eat it the next day to your dinner or to your lunch. And yes, You know that a total of 6.77 billion is spent on food just for that day, and it's the most drinking holiday of all. I don't know why, but maybe because George Washington ordered 1778 a double ration of rum for the American soldiers, and everyone thinks to continue that. I don't know. And because it's a video about the 4th of July, I have another one. Over the years, 3 presidents have died on 4th of July: Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, and James Monroe. I know you have seen this little watermelon the whole time in the background, but not on the board, and yes, I decided not to use it. I felt like I had enough nice fruits on it and it didn't fit that well for me, so I decided not to use it this time. But here it is, our beautiful charcuterie board.
So we are finished, and this is the result. And I think we did a very good job. I hope you guys liked that video. If so, please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. What would be your favorite food that needs to be on that board? Let me know in the comments. And yes, stay safe and rock on your Korean life. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you need more vegan recipes, check out my other videos that I have in my channel. And I want to say I'm so happy for everyone joining this Rocker Korean Life family. And if you want to be part of it and don't miss out on any future videos that I'm posting, if you want to support this channel, you're only one click away. So hit the subscribe button and join the family. So one important thing I asked you to do, so please, please, please let me know in the comments what future videos you would like to see. So I would say we see each other in my next video. So stay tuned and rock on your Korean life.